Our today's topic is automotive car part that can be used in home decor. So let's get started. Thanks for being here. Automotive car parts can make for a unique and interesting art and decor pieces in the home. Here are some potential benefits and the trends. Automotive car part can add a distinctive and eye-catching element to a room decor. These type of decor pieces can be convenient with serve as a focal point for a guest. Repurposing car part as decor can be a sustainable way to give new life to your old materials. The industrial chic design trend has been popular for several years now, and incorporating car parts into decor can fit well with this style. Car part can also fit into a rustic or a vintage look and scheme, particularly if the parts are older and have a worn or painted look. Some minimalist decor style incorporate unique objects into a sparely finished spaces, and a single carport can add an interesting element without overwhelming and simplicity to the design. Overall, using automotive car part as art and decor can be a unique and a sustainable way to add personality to your home decor. Automotive car parts add a touch of personality and uniqueness to any home decor scheme, from repurposed engine gear and the old license for a guest. Repurposing car part as decor can be a sustainable way to give new life to your old materials. The industrial chic design trend has been popular for several years now, and incorporating car parts into decor can fit well with this style. Similar the use of and texture that can add a depth and the dimension to a room. They can serve as a conversion starter, sparking discussions among guests and adding a personalized touch to a decor. Another benefit is sustainability aspect of repurposing old car parts. Instead of throwing them away or letting them rust in the landfill. This item can give a new life as a decorative element in the home. This sustainable approach to decor can particularly appealing to those who prioritize eco-friendliness and reducing their carbon footprints. When it comes to design, the industrial chic style has been popular for several years and can be great fit to incorporate car part into home decor. This design style is characterized by a use of raw material and the utilitarian aesthetic. Old car parts can add to the industrial feel, particularly when paired with metal, wood, and the concrete element. The minimalist style can benefit from the addition of a single automotive car part in the furnished space. A single piece can add interest without overwhelming the simplicity of the design. In conclusion, the use of automotive car parts in home decor can be a creative and a sustainable way add personality and uniqueness to any space. The versatility of these items means to be incorporated into various design style and can serve as a conversation starter at any point in the room decor. It's difficult to specify a simplified region. Their fashion is focused on automotive car parts and home decor as a fashion trend, and the interest can vary greatly across different cultures, geographies, locations. However, here are some observations on where these trends are prominent. In the United States, there is a strong car culture and trust in a classic car